Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
तुमकां खबर आसा टुरिस्ट सीजन सुरू जाल्लें आसा ताज्या खातीर आमकां वी वर गेटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ कंप्लेन्स स्पेशली फ्रॉम द कोस्टल एरियाज that these vendors are selling the biryani in an open place along the roadside. So you must be aware that on Friday our department has conducted one raid wherein more than 100 kg of the biryani along with the utensils were destroyed, were confiscated by the team, and they were told to go away from the place. Similarly, the raid was continued yesterday also. In the Friday we had conducted a raid in the Kalangut area, and yesterday we conducted a raid mostly in the Baga area. The similar situation was observed also in the Baga area. Though yesterday also around 80 kg of the biryani was destroyed and the utensils also were confiscated. This was done along with the help of the panchayat, local panchayat, Kalangut panchayat and the Baga panchayat. So today also our entire team is on the ground, especially in Kalangut and the Baga area only, and what I have instructed them that if any violations are observed, if anything is similar sorts is observed, then to give them the fines. This is like first time as a warning we had not given them any fine. So if the same offenders, if we find them again, then we will take the action as per the provisions of the Act. So through your medium, I also appeal to the vendors, those who are doing the illegal activities, like do not indulge in such a practices. If at all we find them, then the strict action as per the provisions of the Act will be taken, initiated against them.
Ma'am, most of them are the temporary people, means outlet. Is there any permanent solution or major fine or
So that's
action?
what during the entire tourist season, this drive will be continued, especially in the coastal areas, so that once they are aware, like this thing will be stopped.
It will be throughout the night also?
It will not throughout the night, but our special drives will be conducted at the evenings.